Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share an incredible trick that's helping teens like you make money online fast in 2024. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt frustrated trying to earn cash, but most opportunities seem out of reach because you're too young? Well, get ready, because that's about to change. The secret money-making method I'm talking about is becoming a virtual assistant for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Now, I know what you're thinking. Virtual assistant, isn't that just for adults? Not anymore. In 2024, more businesses than ever are looking for tech-savvy teens to help them with various online tasks. Here's why this trick works so well. Low barrier to entry. You don't need any special qualifications or experience. Flexible hours. Perfect for balancing with school and other activities. Diverse tasks. From social media management to data entry, there's something for everyone. High demand. Businesses are always looking for affordable help. So, how do you get started? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Identify your skills. Are you great with social media? Excel at organization? Think about what you're good at. Step 2. Create a simple portfolio. This can be as easy as making a Google Doc showcasing your skills in any relevant projects. Step 3. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These sites are teen-friendly and great for finding clients. Step 4. Start small. Offer your services at a competitive rate to build up reviews and experience. Step 5. Deliver quality work and communicate professionally to build your reputation. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried being a virtual assistant, or do you have questions about getting started? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips for teens. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, your age is your advantage in the digital world. Now go out there and start making that money.